is it safe to say, Paul, na you're sort of like building your own Christmas tradition, as as for your family, with all these different influences that you have.
Yes, yes. I would say that we are trying to mold same cultures. It's what is the best of those cultures, we put them together. I mean, hindi ko lang magawa yung Christmas party kasi lima lang kami. Medyo weird. Siguro over time, pag lumaki na sila. Tapos siguro pag may family na rin over time, alam mo yun, I
Mm.
will revive that. Kasi na-enjoy din naman ni Steph yun eh, nung nakita niya yun eh. So, I think maganda yun for us. How about you, Norbert? And your story?
Kasi ano pa, how do you say that? Ano ko dito sa Germany, hindi pa gano'n karami. So,
Mga three.
may time na kami lang dalawa,
Okay.
parang maganda siya kasi parang date night din, intimate, 'di ba? Then may one time na yung mga in-laws ko, mga mother and father-in-law ko nag-join sa amin. So, it's still very very close in a family. Katulad din ng sinabi mo, talagang na-appreciate ko sa kanila yung yung intentionality of gift giving.
Yeah.
Talagang tinatanong ka weeks ahead, ka ba? Like talaga bang may wish, akala ko may wish list talaga. Akala ko pambata lang yun. May ganun sa intentionality, tapos
Yeah.
talagang pinag-e-effortan, pinaghihirapan yung the value of giving a gift, which I think is really cool kasi it's very thoughtful, and na-appreciate ko din yung time na nagpapadala ng mga cards,
Yan.
yung mga family pictures ng mga lahat ng mga kakilala mo na natanggap mo. So, yun yung parang hindi ko na-experience sa Pilipinas kasi hindi naman tayo napapadala ng mga cards sa isa't isa,
Totoo.
at least for us.
Yeah.
So, dito, like, you really receive Christmas greeting cards, which is very thoughtful kasi, kayo, pwede mo lang ipadala via online or stuff. Appreciate ko yan. At saka, ah, I think nung nag-asawa ako, and then, kasi, then, Christmas, and being aware na talagang iba yung culture, iniisip ko na, paano ba kami gumawa ng bagong, hindi naman bago, pero parang parang tradition namin, at least for us. So yung I was coming into marriage with a mindset like that. So, and since we're talking about like leading, our families. So yung sa amin, yung at least yung ginagawa, we try to do it more often, especially during Christmas, is talagang we take communion together. Part yun ng Christmas party tradition. So gusto ko yung i-carry out kasi yun naman ang parang this is, uh, both of us believe uh, in the power of communion, and hindi siya, and it is the essence of Christmas. Hindi siya Pinoy, hindi siya German. Again, this is just life together, and it's
Yes.
all about uniting in Jesus. Yun yung parang ito yung maganda na tradition ng Christmas na pwedeng i-incorporate. So yun yung parang pinaka pinaka one of the highlights din sa aming Christmas. Yun yung, you know, not making it's not a religious thing, I would say, but it's just really remembering, taking the time to remember,
Mhm.
why Christmas is Christmas. And then, of course, yung Pinoy. So, ano kami, dinner, exchange gift, communion and stuff. But then, of course, talagang may karaoke yan after.
Yeah.
Bahala na. Ako ang nag-iingay sa buong apartment. Ako lang. Pero I think now,
Right.
even my in-laws enjoy it.
Ah,
Na-enjoy na namin lahat.
okay.
Yun yung parang, yeah.
Alam mo, I will try that in one of our events.